Have you ever wondered if your bank is actually looking out for you, or if you're just another account number in a computer system? When I hit 60, my perspective on banking shifted from how fast can I do this to who can I actually talk to if something goes wrong. That's why I want to talk about Patriot Bank. After spending some time navigating their system, I've found a few specific features that make a massive difference for seniors like us. First and foremost is their dedicated senior checking account. Most banks hit you with monthly maintenance fees unless you jump through a dozen hoops, but here, if you're 60 or older, that fee is completely gone. It's a straightforward way to keep more of your Social Security or pension in your own pocket. Plus, they offer free transactions at any Patriot Bank ATM, which is great if you prefer having cash on hand without being nicked for $5 every time you use a machine. Another big one for me is the high-touch customer service. We've all dealt with those automated phone trees that feel like a labyrinth. At Patriot, they still prioritize local branch access in places like Southern Connecticut and New York. When I walk in, they actually have the option for larger font documentation if the fine print is getting a bit blurry, and their staff is specifically trained to help set up the mobile app. They don't just tell you to go online, they'll sit with you and show you how to use the hands-on mobile banking for check deposits, which saves a lot of trips to the branch in bad weather. Security is the final piece. They have a very proactive stance on fraud prevention, specifically targeting the types of scams that often prey on seniors. They offer clear resources on setting up a power of attorney and managing joint accounts safely, which gives me peace of mind knowing my family can help me manage things if I ever need them to. They even have audio functions on their ATMs for those who might have trouble seeing the screen clearly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.